There will be 4 different pendulum exercises highlighted in this video. Each are labeled. Find a sturdy surface to lean on while you complete the pendulums. Fully relax your affected arm and begin shifting your weight in circles. By shifting the weight in your feet, your arms should be doing small clockwise circles. Begin shifting your weight in circles in the opposite direction as you did previously. Your arms should now be making small counterclockwise circles. With your feet still shoulder width apart, begin shifting your weight side to side. This should allow your arm to move left to right. Put one foot in front of the other and begin shifting your weight front to back. This will allow your arm to move forwards and backwards. Remember that your arm should be fully relaxed as you complete each of these pendulums.